we've been working together for over 15 years, but let's talk about where the system started.
Had the challenge of getting our documents imaged and into a system that everyone could access, and at the same time marry it with our mainframe. The beauty of iOS was they had a few things to choose from. It really wasn't much of a change in what we were doing. It just added the imaging portion to it. So that's kind of how we started.
What was the thought on how do we go further?
Our next hurdle was, without a system, we were scanning the documents and emailing them out, having to keep track of them manually, send our own reminders based on what you'd received back, what you hadn't. So you kind of matched it with your stack of papers, or you had an Excel spreadsheet. And so that's when we started talking to you about the workflow option.
Talk a little bit about how we moved from basically dealing with Bloomington to now we're touching all of your entities at that point in time.
We're just trying to make every process as global as possible now. So anything we're looking to see who can use it across the globe.
When you look at it, obviously the vision then became, okay, let's try to control this so everybody's doing the same thing, right?
Right.
So when you think about that, where are we today?
Really, it's been the success breeds more innovation. There's an old saying at Cook is plant the seed and let it grow. And that's the way I approached that project with you guys, even on the phone. I said, let's just deliver it to the screen electronically, let them have this screen. And you guys jumped in, and I almost wanted to strangle you. Because like, don't overpromise and then let's fail. I didn't know how to do it. And
we were as nervous as you were, don't worry.
We did go with the vision instead of just the step, and you guys pulled it off, and that was amazing.
As with every piece, there's always some hurdles, some challenges. So now we're sitting at today, and you look at it and you go, I love that iOS, but why do you love us?
From the moment they walk in the door, they know that there's a patient on the end of everything that we're doing. With people like iOS, we don't really have to tell you that. For some reason, it's just like, you get it. You get it. I think you treat us that way.
I like the customer service and the people that work there.
Maybe it's just because we've been working together so long, all of it, but it's just that sometimes we can finish each other's sentences.
Yeah, and I think even, if you have improvements, you always share those with us.
We're on the same page. You get us, you get what we're about, and we're working with the right people. In other words, your style matches our style very well.